Installing a power distribution board. Align the power distribution board with the hole and then slide it into place. Push the power distribution board connector to ensure it is connected to the system board. Fasten the 5 M3 screws. Carefully turn the top side of the water loop. Position the water loop over the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node, and then gently put the water loop down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Fasten the processor cold plate screws following the screw sequence specified on the processor cold plate label. Unfasten the 12 water loop carrier screws. Lift the water loop carrier up from the water loop. Fasten the water loop screws and quick connect screws.